Hey everybody, so this is going to be a real quick video. Next week I'll release the full version of this video, but I have a library, a Python module that specifically deals with CAD doors, and this is going to play or be a part of a bigger workflow. But on my screen right now, you see the script, and there's a Python bit that I wrote that. Oh, sorry, I am clicking on the list create. That's the wrong one. Over here, that will grab doors from a CAD file and create a line through it. Now, it seems very basic, but when you're working with CAD files, maybe you receive it from a client and you want to create your spaces or rooms. And so what you'll do is read in the wall layer and the door layer and then bring all that in. The problem is you have the door swings and stuff that kind of mess that up. And um, so what this does is it just closes that door, allowing you to close out the space. So when you get your curves and everything correct, you can bring those in into Revit as room separation lines, place your rooms, and then add whatever information you want to those rooms, and then you're able to schedule it and view them in a variety of ways. So I just wanted to mention this in case you guys want to check it out. But it's just got a few functions in there. Some of them aren't as unique. Like this list flatten, which just flattens the arc and the line list. And then down here, there's the actual functions like the clean lines one that'll clean up the lines, remove some of the redundant lines. So this one will, if there's two lines on top of each other, it'll purge those out real quick, because some of the doors that I've worked with, they do have that, so that'll purge those out. And then down here, this will find the doorway points and actually create the points. And then what's returned at the end of this is just a point from line, a point from arc, because we need those 2 points to create the line, and then line, and then the arc, and then the door line right here. That's the line that you would use to create the room separation line inside of Revit. And then I also added the door and frame as a output as well, in case you needed to use that. So this is the Python node, but if you want to check out the like semi half done module, you can go out here to my GitHub and then go to this all sorts of Dynamo one, and then there's a folder in there called lib, and there's one called get door line CAD. So kind of messy. I'm still working on it. Just wanted to mention it mostly because I'll do the full video later. But you can come out here, download this, and use these functions any way that you want. And then as soon as I get done with the script, I will post that. You can download that as well. And for a visual just example, this is what I'm talking about. So over here to the right, these are a variety of different doors that I was able to close out or close the space. So, and then this one here is an example of that. You can see there the door is actually still there. That's something that we can remove, but the line, you can see that there, and it closes out the space. So it's a combination of that line and then the walls from the CAD file, and then you place your room in that location if you have the CAD or the room tags in there from the CAD file. So anyways, that's the workflow. Just a short video to just tell you guys that it's out there, it's available. You can download this library, use it, however way you want, or this module, and then later next week or so, I'll have the full video out and then the full script and everything that you can download from there. But anyways, that's all I got. If you guys have any feedback or want me to do anything or have anything you want me to show in here, let me know. But I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.